So today we're back working on this XR6TXI and we're working on these door pods, so hopefully get the doors done today. So the first step from the last episode, we got the main fiberglassing done. Now we've got to cut out the extra fleece and then mount the door pods to the door, and then we can mask up the door again and body fill perfectly to the contours. That way when we sand it, you have a nice seamless edge to the door. So we'll get the doors up and start on body filling.
Designed to impress.
Alright, so after a few hours of sanding and body filling, I've got these both now smooth enough that we can wrap them in the black. So we'll get the vinyl up, cut out the size that we need, get these sprayed with contact adhesive, and then spray the vinyl, and then yeah, start wrapping these panels. So pretty soon they'll be all done.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you out, I can
so the doors are all done. Got them all wrapped up in the yellow and the black, and I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Grills look nice. I gave them a quick paint of some matte black. I might give them another couple of coats just so they don't scratch easily, because they are going to be right near your legs sort of thing. So, but yeah, pretty happy with how they turned out. No major defects or anything that's of major concern that makes me have to rewrap it or anything. So in the next episode I will get these mounted to the door, get all the wiring ran, hook up all the speakers, and we'll be sound deadening the doors and probably some more of the inside of the vehicle before we end up putting the black plastics in and getting this thing finished. So stay tuned for the next one where we work some more on the doors and get these things playing.